The truth is undeniable, and yet we still find people sowing doubt and twisting the facts up to today. This is not just a matter of ignorance, but something much deeper. It means that the risk of seeing history repeat itself is a constant danger if we allow ourselves and our friends to become indifferent. Genocide denial begins long before the genocide itself is committed. There is a pattern of looking away from the warning signs or taking them lightly. Hate speech turns into hate acts, dismissed as expressions of popular discontent. Behavior that should be immediately condemned is rationalized and minimized. The preparations are masked by narratives of popular grievance and fear. In the process, a moral equivalence is created between the targets of the genocide and the planners of it. All of these elements were present in our own story. Bad actors must not be allowed to hide behind the principle of sovereignty, to evade responsibility for abuses or deny citizens their rights. We cannot afford to repeat the mistakes of the past. Genocide ideology is still spreading in our region. Left unchecked, it has the power to take us all backwards again. There are those who claim that Rwanda exaggerates these concerns or that we have ulterior motives. This is not only false, it exposes the deep cynicism that led to the tragedy we commemorate today. Ntabwo wakwica umuntu kabiri. Ubigerageje azakwica mbere yo kumwica. Ubwo turi aha mutureba bamwe bajya bashinyagura bavugira hanze. Igihugu cyose, igihugu cy'u Rwanda ureba, ntabwo gishobora gupfa kabiri. Mbere yuko wakwica u Rwanda azakwica. Ntabwo wakwica abantu kabiri. Ibibaho tureba ntabwo twapfa kabiri. Ari twe bakuru, ari abana bacu, ntawe uzabica kabiri, ntibishoboka. Ntabwo byakunda. Tuzabaho nk'uko abantu bakwiriye kuba babaho, nk'uko abandi abari bose babaho. Byanze bikunze, ntawe twabisaba kubaho, ntawe. Uko mbivuze uku, hari ababyumva ukundi cyangwa hari abazabisubiramo ukundi, ariko uko mbivuze ni uko nguko aba ariko mu gutwara.